September we met.
So I'm going to start a video on repairing the pool robot Polaris P935. So we're going to start by removing the cartridge. And what we're going to do is flip this guy over. One of the important things that I had to look for online was this little hole that's here. Okay. You have to push in. There's a little tab. And push on the wheel at the same time.
I'm watching.
Okay, but no jumping on the... Okay, so you push down. There we go. So once it releases, the wheel slides out. Next, you're going to do the same to the other side. There we go. Slide that wheel out. So inside, there's some important pieces you have to get out first. So you have to start by getting this little screw out. Unclips on the side, unclips on the side, comes out there. This guy slides that way, which is this right here. The impeller slides off. Now you're free to undo the 4 screws. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the old one here, so we'll skip ahead. Basically, there's a plug on this side. There's a plug on this side. There's a screw here. A screw there. Undo the 2 screws, the plug slides off. Gears, they just slide on and off here. So there's 4 screws there. Remove that panel. That's basically how you disassemble. Reassembly is just the reverse. Thank you for checking it out. And I want to tell you the warranty, as I said, was really great. They gave me the parts, no hesitation, was within the 2-year warranty. Good luck. Back to work he goes.